Hello and welcome back to Nicole's DIY. I hope you are all doing well. It is fall, y'all, and we're going to decorate my mantle. I'm going to show you two different ideas, and I hope you like them both. Just getting rid of some of those dust bunnies. I will definitely have to put this John 3:16 plate that my son and daughter-in-law gave me many years ago for Christmas. And you can see that is Davy Boy. He is just a sweetheart. He came and found us about 13, almost 14 years ago this December. Little trick I'm using is just to wrap my florals in a dish towel. Then I will slip it into my metal vase. Adding a little raffia or the straw is going to give it a little organic and fall look, a little whimsical look as well. Now to give this pumpkin a little lift, I'm going to use some felt from the Dollar Tree. I just love these beautiful fall pumpkins from the Dollar Tree. I hope this video encouraged you and inspired you to be creative with your mantle this fall. If you are new to my channel, I want to say thank you so much for stopping by. I hope you would like my video and that you would also subscribe to my channel. Thank you, returning friends, for watching this video. This is option 1, and then this is option 2 with the fall leaves. Please let me know in the comments down below which one you liked better. Alright y'all, until next time, be blessed.